Hey guys, my name is Tim. This is New Craft Workshop. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you haven't, welcome in. Today I've got 5 more items that you guys should be buying on Amazon to save yourself some money in your shop. A couple name brand items, one item made here in the United States, and wait until you see number 5. The price difference between the specialty stores and Amazon, it's going to blow you away.
It blow you away.
So let's get right into it. All right, first up is this set of scrapers. I literally just got these in, have not even had a chance to prep these. These come raw. They are going to need to be sharpened and burnished, but they are the same thickness as what you're going to get over at Rockler or Woodcraft. These are 030 on the thickness. You get a rectangular, you get an inside and outside radius, as well as this nice little curved piece that's going to get into some of that tighter corners that you might do when you're routing your edges or cutting some coves or something along those lines. But yeah, you're going to get a set of 3 of these for this price right here at Amazon. And if you'll compare that to what you're going to pay for a single rectangular piece at Woodcraft or at Rockler, you can see that the savings is definitely going to add up. And just so you know, DFM, who manufactures these scrapers, is located here in the United States, and the product is also manufactured in the United States. So item 1, get yourself a set of these card scrapers. It's going to save you some money, and it's going to make your projects look phenomenal. All right, item 2 is going to be parallel clamps. I love these Jorgensen clamps. This is what I use in my shop solely when it comes to parallel clamps. This is available at Lowe's. I'm not sure, I don't believe you're going to be able to find these at Woodcraft and Rockler. They're both going to push Bessie on you, which I'll be honest with you, everybody is kind of a fanboy of one brand or another. Jorgensen works for me, and when you start looking at prices and compare what you can get, you're going to understand why you should be ordering these off of Amazon. So let's first off take a look at what you're going to pay retail at the big box store. This is what you're going to pay for a couple different sizes. I'm going to pop up here on the screen. And then when you compare that to what you can get a pack of 2 of these on Amazon and again delivered to your door, you're going to save some money. And we all know we cannot have enough clamps in our workshop. So if you've never tried Jorgensen, give them a try. I really, really like these parallel clamps. This thing is extremely heavy duty. I would compare it weight-wise and quality-wise to the Bessie. This is a quality name brand. Tony Jorgensen has been around for a while, and they make quality products. So pick yourself up some of these on Amazon. Stock up on these clamps while you can, because I'm not sure how long this price is going to be running on Amazon. So get you some clamps. That's item number 2. Okay, item number 3 doesn't need much explanation. It's wood glue. I go through a ton of wood glue here in the shop. I'm going to show you this super quick. Rockler, Lowe's, Woodcraft, they're all exactly the same price. A gallon on Amazon is $5 cheaper. Why am I adding that to this list of items to buy? Because if you're like me, you go through at bare minimum a gallon a month. Most of the time I'm going through 2. If I can save $5 a gallon, I'm saving $120 a year having this delivered to my door instead of getting in my car, fighting traffic, and going picking it up retail. So item 3, get yourself some wood glue on Amazon. All right, item 4 is this band clamp. Now, I don't know about you in your shop. I don't use a band clamp all that often, and when I do, it's usually for some smaller boxes. So the fact that this particular unit is made out of plastic doesn't bother me. It has extremely good clamping pressure. I will pop over here on the side the tech specs on this thing. Again, I'm going to show you up here price for an equivalent over at Woodcraft. And then Rockler has a similar unit. Theirs, instead of having the twistable handle down here to tighten up your clamp, it actually uses a ratcheting style lever. You might prefer that. If you do, head over to Rockler and get yourself one. But for basic box building, especially for beginner woodworkers, this clamp is more than sufficient. The corners are square. This thing is going to do exactly what it's supposed to do. Hold a box together in position while you're gluing it, screwing it, nailing it, whatever you're doing to it. So save yourself some money, half the price of what you're going to pay at Woodcraft, and even more than that for what you're going to get over at Rockler. So number 4, band clamp. Grab it on Amazon. All right, number 5, this price on this item is absolutely going to blow you away.
For real?
So this set of Freud router bits, this is a 13-piece set with a 1/2-inch shank. This comes with a massive variety of bits, and if you're just getting into woodworking and you just bought your first router, or maybe you built a router table, this is the perfect set. This thing has straight bits, this has rabbiting bits, it has all kinds of dovetail bits, a flush bit, cove, round over, chamfer, you name it. 1/2-inch set. Look at the price of this unit at Rockler, and then look at the price of it on Woodcraft. Now, you're not going to believe what I'm about to show you, but look at the price you can get this for on Amazon. Absolutely unbelievable, the price difference. Now, I don't know about you guys, $100 is $100, and I'll take it any day. So this right here is my number 1 pick this week for the item you really need to buy on Amazon before they probably realize their mistake and up that price. Get you this set of bits, save yourself money, get out on that router table and make some really nice stuff. So that's it for this episode. 5 more items you should be buying for your workshop on Amazon. As always, links for every one of these products will be down below. And anytime you use those links to get to Amazon to buy product, whether it's the product that we link to or not, you're helping our channel grow. We appreciate all of your support so far. We would not be where we were if it wasn't for you guys. So as always, that's it for today. Thanks for spending a little bit of your time with us, and we'll catch you guys on YouTube.